everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is what's on my phone video, and my phone is a Samsung A15. This phone came out in December, so it's very new. And yeah, let's just get into it. So actually, before I start, I want to tell you I don't have that much stuff. I really just wanted to talk about the phone because I really like this phone. But anyways, this is my home screen. I'm trying to show you like the lock screen. The wallpaper. But this is my home screen. This is my Pinterest widgets. Let's see what they have for me this morning. I think this is the first page. No, this is the first page. Okay, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 6. I think I'm gonna keep it on this one because it matches more. But my lock screen, like for this thumbnail, I love that one. It just matched perfectly. Okay, next side is just this little normal one. I have a YouTube widget and a TikTok one, and then I swipe, and this is my Spotify. And these are the recent playlists and music I was listening to. Girl Next Door, y'all should really listen to that song. I love that song so much. It's been on repeat for like this whole week and last week. Okay, now here are my little apps. Let's just start with Classroom. That's for Google Classroom, obviously. Indeed, looking for a job again. And let's get into the games. So I have BitLife. I downloaded this yesterday because it was interesting, because I like simulation games and stuff like that, which is why I have Roblox as well. And Galaxia, I love the game so much. I play it during class all the time. Zeus, this isn't a game, but if you know Zeus, you know Zeus. It's like a show thing, but I just put it in games because I don't really have a category for Zeus. I don't have like no Netflix and stuff downloaded right now. I think I might download Netflix though, so I could just watch on my phone instead of TV. But VPN, because Roblox is good, but I need the VPN for TikTok because they blocked TikTok. And overall, the VPN is just nice to have because it makes, I don't lag on Roblox, but it just makes it better. So yeah, I just need the VPN for TikTok, really, not Roblox, but I use it for Roblox as well. Camera, this is like all my YouTube stuff. I have Pinterest, I get some pictures from there. InShot, I edit my thumbnails on there. Screen recorder, I'm using that right now to make this video. YouTube Studio, obviously everyone needs that. CapCut, I'm not editing my videos on there instead of InShot. I used to use InShot, but now I'm using CapCut because I could finally use it on this phone. My other phone is very laggy and it just wouldn't work out. It wouldn't let me use the fonts or anything, it just wouldn't work out. Next is my shopping stuff. I have Amazon, Cash App, and Wallet. I don't use the wallet thing. That was built in the phone. I don't use that. I never even logged in. Shein, because y'all know I love Shein. I'm a Shein warrior for real. Shop is just like, basically like Amazon. It's like an app like Amazon. You could shop on there. And I like this app. It's pretty good. Has some stuff that I use, or some like shops that I actually buy from on here, so that's good. They don't have everything, but they have like maybe small businesses on here. But Cali Urchis, I think that's how you say it, her brand is on here, so that's cool. Body by Urchis. Yeah, they have some things. Fine Girl, if y'all know about Fine Girl, y'all should really shop here. Ooh, y'all should shop at Pretty Girl Beauty. Where's that? I just recently brought their vanilla bean dream body oil, something like that. I think I just saw it. It's this, but the oil, vanilla bean dream body nectar. It smells so good. It smells like a little bit like vanilla bean from Bath and Body Works. I'll put up a picture. But yeah, you should really shop here. They have some cute stuff. Not sponsored, but still, this is like a small business. It's really good, and I want to buy this next. But yeah, anyways, next is this category, obviously, with all my socials and stuff, and Tumblr, but we're gonna ignore Tumblr. Let's pretend that's not there. Y'all don't need to know why I have that. And I have TikTok, Instagram, Wiz, and Twitter. I use Wiz because I just like texting people on there. It's just so fun for some reason. But then it gets weird because some people are weird, but then it's fun. Like the other day, this boy, he had 4 AirPods. So I talked to him and I was like, why do you have 4 AirPods? And he gonna say, why's your face messed up? What did I do to you, bro? Like, I just asked you a question. I wasn't even trying to be smart, funny, nothing. I was like genuinely asking, why do you need 4 AirPods? But if you want to get like that, then you want to get like that. I don't care. But yeah, that's all I have for this phone. And yeah, I don't really have anything else. Okay, this is the quality, guys. I almost forgot to do this video, but I could zoom in a lot to 10, and it's just overall pretty good. Goldie. Okay, y'all, so I'm using a different kind of lighting for this. I'm in my sister's room, and this lighting is just like a light bulb one, and the other one was the sun lighting. So I would tell y'all the quality is good, but if you're like in a dark, like bad lighting, like it's dark for real, it might look weird. Like, yeah, it might look weird, but this is like light bulb lighting. You see, and then the other one was sunlight lighting. The window thing was down. So yeah, I don't know if you can tell the difference from those two. I might put the video side to side as well. And then this is sun lighting again. Or let me sun lighting again. So I don't know if you can tell the difference, but the quality is better than my other videos if you are a returning subscriber. But if you're not, you can watch maybe not the recent ones, like maybe you can watch the sneak out with me video, the come shopping with me video. It doesn't, my face is not in the thumbnail or not, or whatever. That one was with my Android, so you can see the quality in that one versus this phone. But yeah, I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you return for more. Bye. Okay, so I just showed you guys the quality of the videos, and now I'm going to show you the quality of the pictures.